Most people ignore dehydration until it becomes dangerous. When your body lacks water, your blood becomes thicker, forcing your heart to work harder. Your brain cells slowly shrink, reducing focus, memory, and reaction time. Even mild dehydration can affect mood and decision-making. Your kidneys struggle to remove toxins from the blood. This increases the risk of kidney stones and long-term damage. Muscles lose strength and endurance. Joints lose lubrication, causing stiffness and pain. Skin becomes dry and less elastic. Dehydration starts long before you feel thirsty. Water is not optional. It is essential